Ha! And welcome to Wisdom Dialogues with Hope Johnson, coming to you from Hawaiian beaches on the beautiful big island of Hawaii. It's time to make a commitment to see what you're thinking. Notice what it is that you're thinking, because all of that is a manifestation of thought. All of that is a choice you're making. You're making a choice to follow these thoughts. It's like when you get to the point where you're like, I've had enough. This is enough suffering. I've been to that point and know how it is. It's like you get really alert. Let's put it that way. So now you're watching the thoughts. You're watching which thoughts are arising, and you're noticing which ones you're following and what's causing this, because there is no cause outside of yourself for this kind of anxious thing, or even confusion, even questioning or anything like that. All of it, you're not even going to have any question. Not even going to have any question unless you're following thoughts that are modifying yourself away from who you are. They're basically making a modification or a mockery of you, and you're buying in. So you start to see that you're buying into it. That you have to be willing to see that. See, that's the thing. It's like there's this underlying and this, this fear and defensiveness. This, what's saying I don't want it. It's like, okay, fine. Well, if you don't want it, then you have to take responsibility for it. Mm-hmm. You're the one who is making a choice to kind of like go down this dark road and get yourself to this point where you're all worked up with some kind of problem. There's nothing that can do this to you. You'll always have complete dominion over it. That's why I laugh about it, because it's a performance. It's a performance. It's like you're performing for yourself. You're putting on these thoughts like they're costume, and then making up a performance. Like you're this or that, and you just can't be like your own, basically like the light. Is it basically just being the light instead of being this image of yourself that you painted?